Whoever who says he enjoys the spiritual marriage, then he don't know what is in this world for. How can your mother and your father will give birth to you, and the spirit will come and marry you? If you are a lady and the spirit come and enters you, and you say you are enjoying the what the spirit is doing you, then you are a chaff, useless human being.
First day ni kabia ma ochedi ampo kwame etua pembasa yi adomobuji chia ne nsa ne nan ka from send nso ame ye hie bi mo Bob 1 TV GhPage so bosomfo sane ye ya na wa hye video yi dia mame ye ba bi din komo afa sunsun awale ye metie nsem obi semi ni bi minim buwa ye wa bia obohu buwo so wu hu ye nyina de so wo so ye de tra na wa nyina se mpo sunsun bi na wo fama na do enso ebe he ya transie be pa no pomasibe ya na wo de asembusa na ba ma buo ni ani die abema mama wi ana wa like a share video ni obani mi mama ha good afternoon
It is
adumo na also e
boko
ma ha ne de na wonte wo ho
say me used to trade kasa no
you are not used to trade kasa.
I'm not used to trade.
Okay. Ba say utimi kanka dankada
utimi ka
Baje odin di say
me din is spiritual bulldozer.
Eno ni na papa no ma me wo ma wa na ana
David
kwa be so na nya spiritual bulldozer
no actually for the omo ba me ho say me bu omo no omo na omo ma me say
de nko a na wo ye omo anya di bia ma say spiritual bulldozer.
Thank you very much. Ana me pen spiritual bulldozer no last obi man be o chinchin sa
Ajaya no macho ni na mame. Raise your voice a little bit for me.
Sama no o chin sa akonfo bebre ho no mo dada no because of I want it. Oh sorry yer nyina oni ba onye ti say onye mfa oba na ti say oba no onyim na nyinse na asai dabe
Ibi kura nsi da
dabe
oni kwate poison po.
Thank you. Na ono so owo sika pa masa inti sama no no chinchin sa okọ we ho a ogini sika at the end of friend krompo Fabio inti sa issue no inti na man sika nyina akọ what you say
Mitio pa na.
Thank you. Na one day me ti ho na obi bo me puno na me say hwan ni no say me a na me say okay bra inside no buy inside everything has osu sa na me say oh jai sunu dear na how no ogusu super na me say okay jai sunu na wo ka de wo ho ade a kire me so that na me wo sa
You say solution to that no alpha.
Fine.
Okay.
Until now o say o sorry ye o mo wono no sorry ye oni ba
That's as is one water.
on water
No ba kura na nyinsan da.
onyam ofa oba we a ade enche o say oba no be kwa aja no na me say nti that issue went in awusu no say that issue no o say ti say no colleagues omo didi na tem aye no rough
musi na twetwe
na me say okay enye bone the way we so aba say me mboa wo no mpanyimfo no da worma bibia be ye
okay
ahonto beba obesre na osre a obekita oba soso
obinyaba
yes
wow
let me say okay mama no die no oda sa na ma sore akowuro akọ pepe sa nema no me ko ye no akọ pepe sa nema no na me di aba di aba fie aba frɛ no na oba be tenase me ma otena sa edrodre edrode me ko wurom akọ pepe aba no mama oba be tenase edro no so
okay
na me see onka de ope ewo in life bia egu say edro no so ontena say edro no so no ka de ewo ho nyina sa na oye pepepe masa na me de edro no ama no say edro no so me de mawa woko nua no ebi wo be dware na wo
no bi okay
sa na ete pati ase onnom say edro no na ma bisa no say intisesi a oba wo ho de no say o yere o say o yere de ne yere wo fie
okay
na me say okay any problem o kwa ma wo yere nua edro no na wa no onuma de aka no na wa dware na woma oba no so
enye sabi
thank you omo obeye na 7 days
okay
obe dware no na wa nom no 7 days 7 days no endro me ti ho na me phone abele ti say 3 times kurapo na ma fa call no me fa spiritual bulldozer ono na yere no nyina sa na omo frɛ na me say dia no na chief nde adiko within here the whole of spiritually we are bulldozer into dia me yema no eya adwuma
wow tini watima wo
yeah wow
na nso
en ntina omo decide no ade amame na me say okay
so yeah better say what me hu the reason why for spiritual bulldozer yeah hwe ye can spiritual marriage sunsuma wade a
thank you very much and there my first time say mo channel way so what you say be me tackle different channels and there my first time
okay
there wa wo hwe me and there spiritual bulldozer ne family number na wontie de me pesa me nka no me number no ye 0244 915 777 o de churo number no ade ato ho ansa na wotie de me pesa me nka why
okay
it is spiritual marriage no to say at spiritual marriage no most at times etimi girls
a
hamba too much sin
mema okay
what is the amateur no they say oba o sorry a won fa ade akata wuti wo be hu say o hye atalia krampa wo be hu say na chi
egu ho
wo be hu say o hye ade kitikiti na nyina egu ho na o hye sa nema na later one na wo di ananti
okay
they said 12 1 ade ananti enye
since you are not fluent in Chin, you can blend it with English.
Okay.
Sa with my content.
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
Tianko.
Like the spiritual marriage, as I'm saying, it used to be disturbing the ladies too much more than the men.
Okay.
You understand? whoever watching me today, as I'm saying, is the ladies that the spiritual marriage disturbs.
Okay.
And if you are a lady in the night, you will be walking around with, you will not wear a shirt that will cover all over your body. And you will not wear something that will cover all over your legs. You will just wear some short dressing and be roaming with it in the night. That can let you get spiritual marriage. And when you get a spiritual marriage, you, the lady that is serving that spiritual marriage, you yourself, you got to know that you are married with spirit.
Even in the night.
In the night.
Okay.
You realize that you marry a spiritual, you crush a spirit. You understand what I'm saying? Because it will just ginger your head. Your head will turn like, I don't know whether you can get what I'm trying to say.
I do.
Yeah,
okay.
That time you get to know that something is happening.
Okay.
You understand? And in the night when you sleep, you can be there. You got to see that in the night you meet a man, and you and the man are doing romance. If they break, you will see that all your things will spoil.
Okay.
That is the cause of the spiritual marriage.
Okay.
And you, the lady, you will be all right, just like the way a lady supposed to be. Okay. You will be like that, but you can't get a man that will marry you.
Enjoy sex now. Blood 2 minutes in a dano.
Yes.
But bed will be nya. Maybe over bass over one.
Yes, because of the spirit. You will be shining all over. You will be enjoying yourself. But how to sit? A man will come and marry you.
Very difficult.
It will be difficult.
Okay.
You understand? Because of the spiritual marriage. 1, 2, 3. A man will enter you. It will not reach 1 week. That man will run away. If the man enters you, daybreak, you call the man, she will not mind yourself.
Okay.
You understand? That is all. The man will go and leave you. That is the cause of the spiritual marriage. So whoever watching me, as I'm saying, you if you know that you are having spiritual marriage, what I'm saying, you got to know that it's true that I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
I do.
And one thing like this, and a man too can have.
But let's draw more about the man. The man share will be our spiritual marriage teach you baby Anna or who say one spirit in it. I want them.
You say, come again.
I want to find out whether every lady or woman will have a sex in the night or in a dream.
No. It's
before
not like
he
that.
or she can identify as a spirit.
No. Most of the times, you can be there. If sometimes you will be there. If they break, when you wake up, you don't like talking.
Okay.
If someone is talking with you, it make you like to enter the fellow, the one talking to you. All is
spiritual
marriage.
Okay.
Not the sex alone.
Okay.
Not the sex alone.
Okay.
And then the causes of the spiritual marriage with the man, like a lady will be having spiritual marriage, and you, the man, like this, maybe if your head is not strong, when you go to him or to her, like to say you love her, if you don't take time, you carry some.
Hey,
yes. And then the spirit that will enter the lady, that spirit can be like 10 of spirits can be with her. Yes. Because as I'm saying, most of the spirit, in this world, as we human beings, with the spirit are plenty than we human beings.
Apart from one of the implications, we made mention of it, you know, what are some of the implications of spiritual marriage when you talk of a man and a lion?
Yeah.
Also, it's difficult for them to get husband.
Yeah, you can't marry, or when you marry, when you marry, to give birth is very hard. To give birth is very hard because of the spirit that are inside on you.
Okay.
When you are trying to get this pregnant, 1 month, 2 months, you see that miscarriage. 1 month, 2 months, or 1 month, miscarriage will come on you, the lady.
Okay.
That is the cause of the spirit.
Okay.
That one too, if it come, I'll get the solution for you.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. Then let's talk about women. Yeah, man.
I'm saying the man, through the ladies that you can be able to get the spiritual marriage. You understand? The spirit most at times is the ladies who normally get it than the men.
Okay.
That is why I'm just talking about the ladies.
Okay.
You understand? And the man too can be having the spiritual marriage. If you went to a girl, if you see a girl and you say you love her, he will not accept you.
Wow.
Yes. And you will say, what am I done? And if I enter any girl matter, the girl will go and leave me. It's the cause of the spirit. You understand? And then you see that a man too can sleep in the night like he's with his
another girl or lady. Okay.
If they break, yes, if they break, when the man wake up, you will see that his things will spoil.
Okay.
You understand?
I do.
So that's how it is.
But a lot of people who have spiritual marriage normally say it's very, very enjoyable.
Oh no. the person who said that means he don't know what he's in this life for. Yes. Whoever who says he enjoys the spiritual marriage, then he don't know what is in this world for.
Wow.
How can your mother and your father will give birth to you, and the spirit will come and marry you, and you are
stars or more than
no, forget it.
The
stars there, they can do it. You understand? They can do it because they are not human beings like us.
Okay.
They are different. Any stars that they can do it. You understand what I'm saying? So, but if you are a lady and spirit come and enters you, and you say you are enjoying what the spirit is doing you, then you are a chaff, useless human being.
Wow. I was a man cast any spiritual bulldozer and a teaching come off first in Sumawa. The water coinfa so bad. I was also a may so we will be no maybe a daddy. Welcome. Spiritual bulldozer, yeah, share a man also say we was spiritual marriage. What are complications and negative effects in the
You said the
man, yeah,
yes.
man, yeah. The bad side of spiritual
yes,
marriage.
the infection is like when you are a man and you cannot, and you are having a spiritual marriage, you can't get a lady to stay with you.
Is that all?
That one, ban it out.
Okay.
Or when you get it, how to give birth, it will be difficult.
Does it affect our financial status?
Yes, that one too.
Okay.
You will see that. Like for example, if you are doing any business, or at first you used to get money, you get money, but when the spirit enters you, all your properties, everything will go off.
Okay.
What you are doing in life, or you are selling, when you are selling and they are not buying, it's effect of the spirit. Okay. If daybreak, you can go out and go and sit down until night, you will not sell.
I met one guy who told me that he became impotent after sleeping with one lady.
Okay.
Can we link that one to as a spiritual marriage? He became impotent after sleeping with a lady.
Like as
his manhood was not functioning
function
again after sleeping with a lady.
No. I don't believe that.
You don't believe that? Okay. What might be the cause of it?
Like a man and your manhood is not working. A man, if he
has sex with a lady,
yes,
just after that,
and the manhood is not working. Yeah. Let me come. You know, some of the ladies. Let me tell you one thing. Some of the ladies, like for me, like this. If I'm having my wife, I need to do some spiritual medicine on
directions before.
To do that thing on. We call it babaso.
Okay.
Babaso.
Gonorrhea.
Thank you. That is gonorrhea. You can call it
syphilis.
You understand? And that thing too. If I do it on the lady, and you different man saw the lady and you propose the lady and say you want to have sex with the lady, my brother, maybe you can have sex with the lady, your manhood will not work.
Well, maybe I'm a producer.
Your manhood will not work again. Or sometimes your manhood cannot come out again. It will just be inside the edition. Unless I come and see them.
Do you have that medicine?
I'm having it. Yeah, I'm having it. That is why I'm
Who do you buy?
Oh, Adam.
Kami GB.
Yeah, we are member obi.
The member producer. Say open.
Member obi.
Oh, so one person. But that's one person. Wow. My brother will be very proud.
Do you understand what I'm saying? So that thing, I can do it. Okay. Like if you don't trust your wife is teaching on you.
This is not a matter of trust, it's just a matter of cautious way.
You understand? Like if you are having your wife
or prevention.
Yes. You need to do that thing on the lady.
Okay.
If the lady swerve on you, you definitely.
Wow.
You got to know. You understand? And let me come. In the night, if you are sleeping on, or if you are having a wife, and you cannot work on night, that you cannot go. You cannot. Your penis is very small, or your penis is not like this thing like this, my brother. Then it's useless. When they call you a man, your penis has to be
strong
and being long.
Wow.
When you get a wife, my brother, if they break, the wife will come and squat down and say, my husband, good morning. Yes, because in the night, what you did to her, he has enjoyed it. My brother, so if you are watching me, pick the number. The number is 0244-915-777. Pick it and call me so that I can deliver the medicine for you.
Okay.
You understand? If you are there, if you are selling and they are not buying, even if you are selling charcoal or something like this and they are not buying, my brother or my sister, you pick the number. I can let you sell, and you go to the market and sell until they
you get tight. Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
And one thing about these outsiders, the outsiders,
those living abroad.
Yes, the outsiders. I used to get so many complaints about the outsiders. They normal call me,
what
giving
are
me
complaints
about this. They need lotto, something like that.
Okay.
You understand? And they say now they don't believe that there is lotto number.
There's somebody more.
They say there is no lotto number. What and what? Nevertheless, for example, if you are going to Accra and you did not reach Accra, will you say you are tired? You can't say you are tired. You need to continue your journey. You have not meeting your solution settled. My brother, so whoever watching me and you are there and you need the lotto number, please pick my number if you are in outside and you need of Euro jackpot, Mega Million, jackpot.
Okay.
You understand? You contact me. I will let you to win the lotto number. You understand? And then the lotto, there was because of the reason why they said there is no lotto number. You know, some people are coming on social media, bring a white paper and use candle and write on it. Fire, and they will grind a charcoal and use the charcoal and rub on the paper. You see that the numbers will appear. That one is 419. It's fake.
Majority of people out there.
Me as the
let me okay. Like the view that some of the spiritualists who normally claim they have power to conjure little number or do what, they are all fake. If someone says spiritual Buddhism is fake, how would be your answer?
Oh no, I will not be happy. I will not be happy. That is why I started it and say I've received a lot of complaints that they say there is no lotto number. There is no lotto number. And I'm telling the viewers that whoever watching me, I said there is lotto number.
What evidence?
I'm having evidence, and I can do it. If you meet me one-on-one, I will do it for you. Or if you know that you cannot come to me and you are in outside, I can let you win lotto number. As I'm talking to you, I live in this Savannah region.
Which part of Savannah region?
I live in Yape.
Yape?
Yes.
Okay.
Yape. I live in Yape.
Okay.
Because I'm a Gonja.
Spiritual Buddha,
I'm a Gonja. You understand? Thank you.
Okay.
Let me give some little advice. You understand?
Okay.
So nowadays, you know, there is a fraudsters on all over the world. You understand?
You can say that again.
I'm saying that once again, there is whoever watching me, there is a lot of fraudsters all over this world.
Okay.
If you need of any, if you see any spiritual man, and you know that he can help you, you yourself, you got to know that that spiritual man can help you.
Okay.
But don't rush and take your money and go and give it to fake spiritually. Later you call me and say this person has collected my money. This person has collected my money. That one, if you call me, I will insult you again. So please, you need to be very, very careful. Pick my number so that I will let you to enjoy this life. So this is my
before money transaction to any spiritualist, specifically on social media, and you have to do proper check. Thank you. Now, I no be boo fast or same friend me complain be ancheno. One a penny, ye di unsu a flow moja mama. I Bob 1 TV GH5. We share not from us and a major so in a video no. Eddie, I'm a best share macra.